Here's our lazy guy. Change the air conditioner or recharge this air conditioner. Okay, on your air conditioning pump on a 2014 Ford Escape, you got the high pressure right here and then low pressure in there. From where I'm gonna shut it off to. Okay, just hold on a sec. Video board me. Okay.
Plug this in.
Alright.
Plug that in.
Does it charge when it's? This is a 2014 Ford Escape 1.6 liter, and this is what my son got. AC recharge kit. It's got thermometer on it and thermostat on it. Here's the high temperature for the air conditioner, the high pressure, I should say, high pressure and low pressure. Of course, and this is going to be hard. It's right here, right there. See it right here? That black top right there. So what I gotta do is take this black top off. And it's hot as heck with that black top there. I gotta do this, and this might not be our problem. I'm hoping it is. I never seen, these are different air conditioning kits. Comes with 2 tanks, I don't know why. I don't know if you gotta use this one. Usually they come with one. Any I did before, and so I presume if it has 2, you maybe just one at a time. You go like this, you shake them up like this a little bit. Don't do it too hard. And see, there's a puncture thing there, so it punctures in there. And the old ones used to have a snap-off cap to save it. And
let me see it. Put it in front of me, let me see.
I can't open it up.
Let me see.
No.
okay, anyway. I don't know why this
Where is it? Here, Landon, hold this on that side.
Record it again. And now is it? Yep. Like that every time, then you do it again. I keep going the wrong way in this string thing.
Maybe try to do that.
Yeah. See, one thing I don't understand with this is it usually has the 2 big cans. Seems like it has a leak in there, but I don't know.
I need to figure out something to level out that pool, Bob.
You have that off, right? The air conditioner? What?
Yes.
Keep forgetting. I think that's it.
You don't have to do the other can?
Yeah, I think that's it.
For that can?
Lefty loosey.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
So this is,
That's
on, that's off. Yeah.
righty
I
tighty,
think, I don't know.
lefty loosey.
Okay, shut it off for a sec. Leave it off. That friggin' side of it's hot. Wow.
Careful.
Okay, I'm gonna try lot better. You can feel the coldness, but it's still.
Yeah.
I'd still recommend maybe one more, but no, it's cold. But it's going to get cold. Yeah, it's going to get cooler. But it's. Well, it might be something else too, though.
Feel it.
Yeah, I know. You could never feel it at all before. You could never sit in the car.
We could when we were driving when it was.
Yeah.
When we were driving over Halifax, when
Yeah.
it was cold, then you could open the vents.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Oh yeah. What do you think, Landon?
Oh, it's better now. Oh, it's good. It's as good as it's going to get right now. It's just as good as my truck almost, and it will get better.
Yeah.
It should, hopefully. I don't know how long it takes to exactly get the.
Oh, that's better, Landon.
Oh, it's a lot better. Right. You want to see something? What kind?